I'm gonna show you such a gorgeous half up hairstyle to wear it to a wedding. If you have one this spring or fall, it is gorgeous. It goes with pretty much any season, so let's get into it. I'm gonna start with my hair already curled, and then I'm just gonna turn around. I'm gonna grab a small piece from the front. We're gonna leave my bangs down to give me a little face framing. And then we're gonna twist, add in a little bit more, twist it back, and then we're gonna slowly pull it to make our twist look thicker and fuller. And if you pull out too much, you can just twist it back in, keep playing with it until you get it exactly how you like it. Then we're just gonna take a bobby pin or two, and we're gonna pin it in. When you pin, be sure that you're putting the little rigid side toward your scalp, and then when you're pinning a small piece of hair like this, be sure to create an X with your bobby pin so that it stays in place all day. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Again, we're gonna leave a little bit of hair around my face. We're gonna twist it a little bit and then add in a little bit more hair and then twist all the way back and then pull out your twist to make it look full. As you can see, I have a couple little layers that want to come out. It's okay if they fall out, just kind of make sure they're laying nicely. Unless you want it to look perfect, it just adds a little extra sass to your hairstyle. I'm going to now tuck this twist under the other twist so that it just kind of flows together. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm just gonna cross it underneath. And then pin it into place with two bobby pins. This is the final look. You'll want to spray it with some hairspray or texture spray to kind of keep it in place all day, depending on how well your hair holds curl. Thank you guys for watching. If you are looking for a makeup tutorial, I'll link a great one for wedding guests, so click here.